Hey you guys, I'm here with a DIY and it's gonna be my Mother's Day birthday baskets for my sisters. So I am gonna go ahead and do 3 baskets with different colors, but they're all gonna be the same but slightly different. But at the end, they're gonna be the same because I like to give them each the same thing basically so they won't fight over nothing. The first thing I'm gonna add is some styrofoam just for height, and then I'm gonna be adding some tissue. So I have a green basket, a blue basket, and a teal basket. And I picked these up at the Dollar Tree, and they are becoming one of my favorite baskets to use for a DIY and especially for a gift basket. These baskets are amazing. They hold up very well. And for $1, you can get it in any color and they're gorgeous. So these are my go-to baskets from now on. The tissue, I picked it up at the Dollar Tree as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and fill these up with a bunch of little goodies that I'm sure anybody would love to have on Mother's Day. So you can go ahead and make one as well. This is just an idea and this is just what I'm giving my sisters. So let's get started. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll link the link down below so you can go ahead and get pictures of and see pictures of everything I make before I make it or before I put it on YouTube. Now, I picked these colors up because these are some of my sister's favorite colors, so I kind of matched the personality to the basket. The first thing I got was this gorgeous tote bag from the Dollar Tree, and it's full of pineapples. I thought this would be great for summer, and since we pay for bags over here, I thought this was a great shopping bag just to go get some groceries, to run to the dollar store, to take something somewhere. This is a great bag, and it's a great size. So this is going to go right into the blue basket. And I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it in and make it look nice and pretty as much as I can because the bag is on the bigger side. And this, I fell in love with this bag, but I could not find another one. So I end up picking up 2 more tote bags, but a different style. I found these cute tote bags also at the dollar store. It's a medium size. I kind of wanted the large size because you can put more stuff in there. But I found these cute, adorable pink ones with a pineapple as well, and I thought they would match perfectly the other 2 baskets. So I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it in, and I'm also going to go ahead and put the same one on the green basket. So they are cute, and I do like the size. I wish they were large, but what can you do? I could not find the other one anywhere else, and I thought the colors would go perfect with this theme, so I decided to go ahead and pick them up. So they are cute. I mean, they are a great size. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in. And I think they fit perfectly for the size that they are. And they're very useful. The next thing I'll be adding is this notebook. And so the adventure begins. And it is so adorable. I picked this up at the dollar store as well. And I thought it was so cute. And I got really lucky. I found 3 of the same. So I got them the same notebook. I'm just going to go ahead and tuck that into the back. Just so all the heavy stuff is distributed right, you want to go ahead and put it in the back and then build it up to the side, bring it to the front. The next thing I picked up were the Hershey drops, and I picked these up at Target, and I want to say they were around $5. So I'm going to go ahead. I got them all the same kind because I didn't want them to fight over nothing. I wanted to keep that the same. I know they all like the Hershey drops, so that was a win-win. All I'm doing is moving the notebook to the side so the Hershey drops could show. But they have a ton of chocolates there, and these bags are a great size, especially to give someone on Mother's Day. This is a great size of chocolates, and you can find an assortment of chocolates there. Just go ahead and check out their website and they'll deliver it right straight to your home. The next thing that I'm going to go ahead and add to these little baskets are the pen. And these are the little mermaid tail pens, and I end up getting all 3. So I have the green, the blue, and the purple, and they are perfect for this basket. So I'm going to go ahead and add a pen. Since I did add a notebook, I thought these pens were so gorgeous. I cannot wait till they use them. They're going to love them. They're so colorful. They have the little mermaid tail. These are perfect for anybody. So when you find something like that, just go ahead and pick up a couple of them, save them, and when you have something to give to someone, add it to your basket. These are the kind of little things that you pick up and you just save because you know one day you're going to use them. So these pens are adorable. I end up picking them up, and then this was the perfect moment to just use them. Everybody got a notebook, everybody got a pen. The next thing I'm adding are these lip glosses, and I picked these up at the Dollar Tree, and they're so cute. They're just a diamond cut shape. So I'm going to go ahead and add everyone a lip gloss. I thought this was so adorable and a great idea to give someone. So everybody got the matching color lip gloss. The next thing I'm adding are these face masks. I love a good face mask, and this is the rose. This is the one for the pores, and then this is another detoxing face mud mask. So these are my favorite things to receive and to get. A good face mask, oh my God, changes your life. I love the spa theme. I love taking me time. It's important to just have me time all the time because you need to take care of yourself. So I went ahead and I purchased a face mask for each of them. I thought that would be a great gift to give someone, especially on Mother's Day, so they could go ahead and just have a little me time with a couple of items that I purchased. I thought that would be very perfect. The next thing I'm adding is this Dove, and this is a body cream, and I love it. I picked this up at the dollar store, and I decided to get one for each of them just to add there. It's always good to have a little body cream. The next thing I'm picking up are these gorgeous, these are like ring holders, jewelry holders. And I got the mermaid, I got the flamingo, and I got the unicorn. So I ended up picking up 3 of these when I saw them, and I put them away, and this was the perfect basket to put them in. So I'm going to go ahead and give each one just randomly and see who gets what. And look at how gorgeous they are. They're so cute. I am loving the mermaid tail. And the next thing I'm adding is this Aussie 3-minute moisturizer for your hair. I ordered this online. I thought it would be bigger, but I guess sometimes you don't read and you just order stuff. And they're small, but at least they have something for their hair. So now they have something for their body, their hair, and a face mask. They have a little bit of something for each of them. So I thought that would be cute to add to their baskets. The next thing I'm adding is a money holder that I made for each of my sisters. And I did these money holders, and then I wrote mom at the bottom of each one. I thought that would be great to give them for Mother's Day. I added a little bit of cash, as you can see, nothing big, but I did add some money in there so they can buy themselves a little something on Mother's Day in case they need money or in case they want to order something online. That is a perfect gift to give someone, especially on Mother's Day. You never know when they might need a little money just for a rainy day or just to spend on something for themselves. So each of them got the same amount, but a different money holder. So I made those money holders, and I'm super happy how they came out. They came out really good, and they're so pretty. I'm happy I made them. They look gorgeous. And each basket is the same, but each basket is different. If you haven't noticed, I added the same product, but almost in different color, and some of them just matching. I kind of customized it to their favorite colors. So each of them will have, one will have the green, which she just loves green. And that's how it goes. So yeah, now we have to start with the next part of this, and this is going to go ahead and wrapping them up. So I forgot to add a little scarf, and I'm so happy that I did find it at the end. So with this little scarf, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around my fingers, and I'm going to add it to the back of the chocolate, and it actually holds up very well. So I'm going to do the same thing to each basket. It's just the little dollar store pineapple scarf. I thought it would be great with their tote bags. So all I'm doing is wrapping it around my fingers and adding it to the back of the chocolate, and it actually holds very well. So if you ever forget something, and if it's not too late and you haven't wrapped it up, go ahead and add it to your basket. If it doesn't fit, leave it out and we'll go ahead and put it in another basket. Now, I thought it would be so cute if I put a rose inside each of their baskets. I never done this before. So I wanted to try it to see if it even looks nice, to see these roses I purchased on Amazon a long time ago. And you get a box full of roses, any color you want. So when I ordered mine, I got a box full of mixed colors. I got the pink, the white, and the red. So you get a whole box. And I've been having them for a while, and I thought it would be really nice if I was to put a rose in there. And of course, they're fake, they're artificial, and so are the leaves. So all I'm gonna do is slide the leaves into the rose. I'm gonna bend the rose in half. Look at how cute they are. Don't they look really cute? I'm gonna just bend the rose in half, and I'm gonna add it to my basket and see how it looks. And look at how cute it looks. I'm really happy I decided to add the roses. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a rose to each basket, but different color. So same rose, just different color. I thought that would be very pretty this year. All I'm doing is bending it in half. I'm looking for a spot inside the basket just to put it in. You can move it around, add it wherever you want, wherever you think it's gonna look very cute. But they actually give the basket a little more elegance, and I thought it was right on the money. So this is a great idea to use a flower. It's perfect. They could put it away, and with me bending it, it won't rip. They could just unbend it and add it to a vase. It's optional, or they just go ahead and cut the head off and use it somewhere. So look at how gorgeous it looks over there. So on the last basket, I'm gonna go ahead and add the white one. I thought that would be very pretty, and it is adorable. So this is a fun idea as well. And look at how gorgeous it looks, and it makes the basket look twice as gorgeous. Now the final step for us would be to wrap them up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap them up in a new kind of plastic. I wasn't able to go to the dollar store, so I ordered some on Amazon. And this is the first time in me using this kind of plastic. So I'm just gonna move everything around until I have it exactly how I want it before I end up wrapping it up. Make sure you get some of your favorite ribbon and grab a pair of scissors, because we're gonna go ahead and wrap these little adorable baskets up. And I'm sure that whatever you add to your basket, your loved one is going to love it and be so happy that you end up giving them something. And yeah, look at how perfect these bags work. I picked these bags up at Amazon. It just slid in there. It's the perfect size. Look at how perfect this is. I'm gonna go ahead and use this teal ribbon from the dollar store. So if you want to know where I got the link to the bags, go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below from my Amazon, so you could go ahead and grab the same bags. These bags are pretty big. They fit the dollar store baskets, so you already know. And I'm just going to grab a piece of tape like always and tape the corners of the bottom of the plastic to the back of the basket. So it's going to be easy. Grab some tape and just tape it. Look at how fitted the bag is going to look. It's going to give it that extra fitted look, even though you don't have to with these kind of bags. They actually look pretty nice, and they fit fantastic. Look at how it fit. It fit really good. It's a fitted bag. And then all I'm going to do is grab the top, and I'm going to tie a bow like always. And look at how easy it is, because the bag is the same size through the whole thing. Grab it with your hands. Grab your string. Make sure you cut your string a little long, just so it could hang when you make a bow. You're going to see right now how gorgeous that makes a difference in the basket. Tie it as tight as you can. Go ahead and make your bow. It's super easy. Just look at my hands. And that's it. Look at how easy and gorgeous that looks. Make sure when you grab your ribbon that it matches your basket. I think that is one of my favorite tips. And this is my favorite tip right here. Grab your scissors and cut a third off the top. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Fluff up the top. Use your scissors to cut any excess that does not look good of the bag. And this will not weigh your bag down. Your bag is going to stay up there. It's going to look gorgeous until you give it to that person. And that is the best tip I can give you when making a DIY gift basket. It cut a third of it and it's going to look gorgeous. Let's move this to the side. Let's go ahead and do the same thing to the other two baskets. And voila, it's in the bag, and look at how gorgeous and fitted it looks. For that one, I'm going to go ahead and use the green ribbon. I picked it up on the Dollar Tree as well. So when you're there at the Dollar Tree and picking up your basket, go ahead and run to the ribbon section and pick up your ribbon. Make sure you match it to your basket. Trust me, it's going to make your basket look really fancy. Go ahead and crunch the top off. We're going to go ahead and make a bow as well. And look at how gorgeous it's going to come out. And this color is really pretty. I never thought of green to use green like this, but it is a really gorgeous color. Make sure you tie it as tight as you can. Make your bow. And look at how gorgeous that looks. Go ahead and grab your scissors and cut a third of the top off. Fluff it up. And you're ready to give it to a special anyone. Your mother, your sister, your aunt, your grandma. Anybody who you consider a mother. Anybody who shows you love. I don't even care if it's a man. Anybody who takes care of you and you want to give it to them, give it to them. Let's go ahead and make this teal one. No, this is the blue one. It's already in the bag. I already got it fitted. I'm going to go ahead and use the blue ribbon from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to crunch it up. And let me tell you, these little baskets right here are one of my favorite baskets I made so far. For my sisters, I cannot wait till they see them. I hope they like them. Go ahead and tie it as tight as you can. And make your bow. And look at how gorgeous that came out. Go ahead and grab the top and cut it off. Fluff it up and you're all set. You have all your baskets ready. I hope you guys make one. And until next time,